So children, the last two cases of new profit sharing ratio and calculation of sacrificing ratio. So case 4th is when the old partners decide to surrender, give or sell a part of their shares in favor of the new partner. So these are the terms that will identify surrender, give, sale. They will identify that this is the case of surrender of share by the old partners in favor of the new partner. Take an example. X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. They admitted Z as a new partner. X decided to surrender 1/5 of his share in favor of Z, and Y decided to give 1/10 of his share in favor of Z. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So X is surrendering 1/5 of his share in favor of Z, and Y is surrendering 1/10 of his share in favor of Z. Nothing is mentioned regarding the share of the new partner. कुछ नहीं दिया हुआ कि न्यू पार्टनर कितने शेयर के लिए एडमिट हुआ. So over here we will calculate the fraction of the surrender share of the old partners. So see how X and Y, they were the old partners. Their profit sharing ratio was 3:2. That is 3/5, 2/5. Z has been admitted. X is surrendering 1/5 of his share and Y is surrendering 1/10 of his share. अपने ही शेयर का 1/5 X surrender करेगा और अपने ही शेयर का 1/10 Y surrender करेगा. So here we will calculate surrender share. We will not add up all this because nothing is mentioned that Z is coming for so and so share. So surrender share will be calculated. In case of X, his old ratio was 3/5. 1/5 of 3/5, X is surrendering in favor of Z. So 3/5 into 1/5 is equal to 3/25. This much X has surrendered for Z. Now Y is surrendering 1/10 of his share in favor of Z. 2/5 was Y's own share. 1/10 of it comes to 2/5 into 1/10 is equal to 2/50. Now here only we will make the your denominators equal for both the partners. So here it was 25 and here the denominator is 50. 50 is the greater one. This is also to be converted to 50. So we will multiply here by 2 in the denominator as well as in the numerator. So 3 2s are 6, 25 2s are 50, and over here 2/50 will be multiplied by 1/1 is it will come to 2/50. Now we will calculate the new profit sharing ratio. In case of X, his old ratio was 3/5. Out of this 3/5, he has given 6/50 to Z. What is the remaining ratio? That will be his new ratio. So 50 will be the LCM. 5 10s are 10 3s are 30 minus 6 is equal to 24/50. Calculating the LCM in the actual mathematical way will take a lot of time. It will consume your time. So it's better to multiply the denominator factor and then solve the fraction of either addition or subtraction. Then Y is equal to his old share was 2/5 From 2 by 5 he has surrendered 2 by 50 in favor of Z, minus 2 by 50, 50 is the LCM, 5 times are 10 2s are 20, minus 2, 50 1s are 1 2s are 2, is equal to 18 by 50. Now Z, 6 by 50 he has taken from X and 2 by 50 he has taken from Y. Add them, 6 by 50 plus 2 by 50 is equal to, now we will take the LCM again 50. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 by 50. Now add up the numerators, 24 plus 18 plus 8. It comes to 50. 8 and 8 16 plus 4 20, 2 and 2 4 and 1 5. 50 is, it is equal to the common denominator. So the new ratio is 24 is to 18 is to 8. Simplify it, 12 is to 9 is to 4. Further simplification cannot be done. It is not possible. Now the sacrificing ratio. In case of X, old ratio was 3 by 5. New ratio is 24 by 50. Minus 24 by 50 is equal to 50 is the LCM. 5 tens are 10 3s are 30. Minus 24 is equal to 6 by 50. So in case of Y, 50. 2 by 5 was the old ratio, 18 by 50 is the new ratio, is equal to, so we will subtract it. So 50 is the LCM, 5, 10, 10 2s are 20, minus 18 is equal to 2 by 50. So 6 is to 2 or 3 is to 1 after simplification is the sacrificing ratio. So the part which the old partners has surrendered in favor of the new partner will become the sacrificing ratio, and it is to be shown while attempting the answer of such type of questions. Now case 5, when any one or more partners decide to retain their old share. There are partners and a new partner is coming to join the firm, is been admitted, but among the existing partners or the old partners, one or more than one partner, they decide that they are not going to alter their profit sharing ratio. It will remain the same. So this is the case over here. See, A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:2:1. They admitted D as a new partner for 1/6 share. Here this share is given. B decided not to change his profit sharing in the firm. Means he is going to retain his original share, his old share. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So here A, B and C are the existing partners. Their ratio, profit sharing ratio was 2:2:1, that is 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5. They admitted D for 1/6 share in future profits. We will add up the old partners share. 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. 5 is the LCM. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 5. The old firm's total share comes to 1. From this we will subtract the new partner's share, that is 1/6. So 6 will be the LCM. 1 6 is 6, 1 is 6, minus 1 is equal to 5 by 6 is the balance share left. Now from this 5 by 6, the balance share left after considering the new partner's share from the total of the old share, we will subtract that partner's share who want to retain his original share. So D wanted to retain his original share and his original share was 2 by 5. So from 5 by 6 we will subtract 2 by 5. We will subtract it. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 6 2s are 12. 25 minus 12 is equal to 13 by 30. This is the share after deducting new partner share and the partner who wants to hold his original share out of the total share of the company that was of the partnership firm that was worth. It remains to 13 by 30. Now this 13 by 30 will be divided between A and C in their old ratio. Now the old ratio was 2 by 5 and 1 by 5, but B share को तो हमने already minus कर दिया, तो बचा कितना? 2:1, that is 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. So A share will be 2 by 3 into 13 by 30. This will be shared by A in this proportion 2 by 2/3. So it comes to 26 by 90. B का तो 2 by 5 ही है, तो उसका डिनोमिनेटर 90 के बराबर करने के लिए 18 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 18 will be multiplied as denominator and 18 will be multiplied as numerator too. So it will come to 36 by 90. Now C's share was 1 by 1/3, क्योंकि ये तो 2:1 में ही शेयर करना है. 1/3 इस चीज से 13 by 30 will be given to him in the proportion 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into 13 by 30 is equal to 13 by 90. Now D, he is coming for 1/6 share. 1/6 share into, to make the denominator equal to 90, it will be multiplied by 15 and the numerator will also be multiplied by 15. So 1 by 6 into 15 by 15 is equal to 15 by 90. Now if you will sum up the total of do the total of the numerators, it will come to 90. 6 and 6 12, 12 and 3 15, 15 and 5 20, 2 and 2 4, 4 and 3 7, 1 8, 1 9, 90. So the new profit sharing ratio between A, B, C and D will be 26:36:13:15. Now here the sacrificing ratio. In case of A, old share was 2 by 5 minus new 26 by 90. 90 is the LCM. 5 18s are 18 2s are 36 minus 26 is equal to 10 by 90. C, 1 by 5 was the old share minus 13 by 90 is the new share. 90 is the LCM. 5 18, 18 ones are 18, 90 ones are 1, 13 is a 13. 18 minus 13 is equal to 5 by 90. B has retained his old share and he is not sacrificing, neither he is gaining, क्योंकि उसने तो अपना पुराना ही शेयर रिटेन किया. इसका सॉल्यूशन भी करके देख लो, 0 ही आएगा. 2 by 5 was his old share. His new share is 36 by 90. This has been made to make the numerator equal to 90. So 36 by 90 is equal to 90 will be the LCM. 5 18s are 18 2s are 36 minus 36 is equal to 0 by 90. So who is sacrificing? A and C. 10:5 is the ratio. Simplify it. 2:1 is the sacrificing ratio. So it's clear. Tomorrow we will start a few numericals of calculation of new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio.